Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, search for PC Health Check tool and download it from Microsoft's official website. After that, install and open the app. Then click on Check Now under Introducing Windows 11. The tool will show why your PC doesn't meet the requirements. After that, press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog. Over here, type tpmsc and press Enter. Then check the status section in the TPM window to confirm if TPM is ready for use. Then again open the Run dialog, type msinfo32 and press Enter. Over here, check the secure boot state to see if it's turned on or off. After that, open the Start menu and search for Device Security. Then click on Device Security. Over here, check if Security Processor and Secure Boot options are available. If TPM or Secure Boot is not enabled, then restart your PC and enter BIOS or UEFI settings. Over here, enable TPM and Secure Boot manually. Also, make sure your system meets other requirements like 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and a supported processor. So that's basically how you can fix this PC can't run Windows 11 error. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.